So first we're going to do the baking soda vinegar volcano eggs. As you can see, I've got baking soda and vinegar for the volcano part. We've got the various colors that we're going to use, some toothpicks to mix, and then of course our measuring things. Let's get to it. Let's make a baking soda paste. Pour that into your baking soda. You add 3 drops of whatever color you'd like to use. But you're going to want to use something to mix the color in with the baking soda to get yourself a nice paste-like consistency here. Baking soda here is starting to turn orange. You can really see the color starting to mix into all of the baking soda. You want to stir it until it becomes like a paste. So as I'm stirring, I noticed that it's not really turning into the paste consistency that I was looking for. So we're just going to slowly add a little bit of water. 2 tablespoons is the way to go. And the color's mixing a little more evenly. So now we've got our paste here. So now we're going to go ahead and put it on the eggs. Dyed paste is what's going to add some color to your egg, and you can roll it around a little. You might want gloves for this part. Generous with the color. As you leave it sitting, the water will separate, not a problem. Just mix it back in. So this is not about being fancy. In fact, this one would be a fun one for kids. It's kind of about being messy and just having some fun with it and seeing what happens. Now you don't have to cover the whole egg. There we go. So now for the vinegar. I've got a small amount of vinegar in this cup and a dropper. You can use a measuring spoon or anything you have to just drip a small amount of vinegar onto the egg. So this is where you might remember from elementary school what happens when you mix baking soda and vinegar. So let's go. Now, if you don't have a muffin tin at home, you can do this just in bowls or in your egg carton. And what you'll actually notice is because we're doing this, the bottom of the egg will have a fun color variation from sitting in the vinegar on the bottom. Now you can use as much vinegar as you need to keep dissolving the baking soda, or when you're satisfied, you can go ahead and just rinse the egg off. You can also roll your egg around in the baking soda on the bottom. And there you go. You can see already the color is much darker this time around. The last thing we're going to do, just as an interesting variation, is to put food coloring in the vinegar itself. So we'll get a little bit of vinegar here. just to see, and you've got the plain baking soda egg there. You get the idea. And the added bonus doing it this way is it seems to color the rest of the egg as well. So you'll definitely get a more saturated color doing it this way.